We know that most technical documentation goes unread. Yet, when something breaks, where's the first place everyone runs to? That's right, the documentation that they ignore. Technical documentation has a reputation for being a snooze fest. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? In this video, I'll show you how to transform those boring technical manuals into resources people actually want to use. Whether you're documenting software procedures or product specs, these tips will save your team countless hours of headaches and might even make the process fun. So what exactly is technical documentation? It's the written resource that explains how things work, from design architecture to standard procedures, instruction manuals to use cases. And it comes in many flavors. Some is for internal teams, like how to develop new features without breaking everything. Other documentation helps users figure out your product without wanting to throw it out the window. Knowing which type you're creating helps you focus on the right details for the right audience. So how do you actually create technical documentation that doesn't put people to sleep? Here are 6 simple steps to follow. First, know your audience. Are you writing for developers, new users, the executives who just want the big picture? Your approach should be completely different for each of them. For example, developers might appreciate actual code snippets and deep dive into the technical details behind the product, while executives need clear visuals and bottom line impacts. Tools like ClickUp whiteboards make it easy to brainstorm your audience personas and map out their needs. Next, research thoroughly. Nothing undermines credibility faster than documentation that's just plain wrong. After research, step 3 is to choose the right documentation type and framework, because an API reference looks very different from a troubleshooting guide. ClickUp Docs makes this part easy with templates for various kinds of documentation and AI-powered writing assistants. Together, they can help structure your content without starting from scratch. And for step 4, let me remind you, structure is everything in technical documentation. Nobody, and I mean nobody, reads technical documentation cover to cover. So it pays to use collapsible headings, subheadings, and a table of contents. Anything that can make your doc scannable. A bonus tip here is visual elements like charts, diagrams, and color coding make complex concepts clear and more engaging. Now for step 5. Once you've got a draft, share it and get feedback, lots of it. The best technical documentation is reviewed by both technical experts and people who represent your end user. With ClickUp's real-time collaboration, commenting, and task assignment features, you can gather feedback, tag teammates for input, and track changes all without leaving the doc. Finally, step number 6 is to publish your doc. Also, don't forget to set up a system to keep it fresh. Outdated documentation is sometimes worse than no documentation at all. And with ClickUp, you can automate this process. You can also set up recurring tasks to review documentation whenever new features are released or processes are upgraded. Now, you might be thinking, nobody reads manuals anyway, but here's a mind-blowing stat. Companies with excellent documentation resolve tickets 37% faster. It helps people make better decisions, improves user experience, and dramatically reduces the number of times you'll hear, "How do I do this again?" It's also your company's collective memory, so that valuable knowledge doesn't walk out the door with one person. And let's not forget about security and compliance. When processes are documented, you're less likely to have someone accidentally pushing code that breaks everything or violates regulations. So as you can see, great technical documentation isn't just about explaining how things work. It's about empowering people to solve problems independently. And while it might not win any literary awards, it can definitely win you fewer support tickets, happier users, and a more efficient team. So if you're ready to transform your technical documentation from mind-numbing to mind-blowing, ClickUp has everything you need, from collaborative docs and whiteboards to AI writing assistants and automated workflows. Discover how much easier technical writing can be when you have the right tools. Sign up for ClickUp for free today at the link in the description.